you to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you about using the hole feature. The hole feature is a very powerful feature in Creo which allows you to generate holes in no matter of a time. So in this video we'll start with this simple unit cube with 10 centimeters on all sides. So if I need to create a hole in this point, I'll be using this hole tool now, and I'll go through step by step for you to teach how you can make such holes. So click on the hole icon and click on the face where you need to generate the hole. So once you click on that, just orient it into the top plane. I think it's the wrong plane. Yeah, I'll orient it to front plane. So now you can see the ghost of a hole. So you can see these two green markers. So these two green markers are for placement purposes and they are the reference points. So just click and drag these markers to any reference plane or any edge of an existing body. Let it be perpendicular to each other so that we can just reference both the sides of the holes. So from this point you can just go on and edit the dimensions. You can see the hole change its position, and this one was the diameter of the hole. So if I want 30, I can give it as a 30, and you can see that once I give the value, the part automatically updates. This is the depth, so I can give it a larger depth or I can give it a slightly smaller depth. So I'll give it as to be nominal a 30. So this is a basic hole, but what if I need a countersink or a counterboard hole? You can do it in Creo with simple easy techniques. So you see here, just use the standard hole profile for a drilling tool. If you click here, you can see the part has been coned. So similar to that, if you want a counterbore or a countersink, this icon adds a countersink. So you can see it has been a countersink has been added. You can also add a counterboard to it. So, and in other words, you can also go to this shape button and you can toggle the text values directly. So you have two places where you can edit your dimensions. You can go on and double click here and you can edit the dimension, or you can come back to this shape which shows you a 2D part of the hole you are generating, and you can easily change here too. Once it is changed, you can see that it automatically updates in the 3D view. So once you're happy with everything, just give the tick mark and click OK. So now a hole is being generated which can be used in all applications. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.